expanding wireless connectivity with advanced small cell solutions. Alpine delivers indoor and outdoor small cell installations that help strengthen wireless coverage, increase network capacity, and support growing data demands. Our team supports complete deployment needs, including equipment installation, power integration, electrical upgrades, and safety-focused infrastructure work. From street-level outdoor deployments to high-capacity indoor environments, Alpine designs and installs scalable solutions that support modern wireless networks and future 5G growth. Our capabilities include construction, RF and fiber testing, civil work, power and battery integration, trenching and custom pole solutions to support complete small cell deployments. Visit alpinepower.com to learn more.